Ramona. In the 99, he's won 2 main events, including the last one. That's Cameron Beach out of Temecula. In the back row, that is row number 6, starting on the inside, the number 78 car, Aiden Frank out of Menifee, and the number 2, Sweet Ogren out of Anza. That's your lineup, 20-lap factory stock main event. Going to be a first-time champion in the factory stocks this year. No defending champs running in the class. You have Barry. Very poised and ready to strike. He's like a rattlesnake. But he's got his puppy helping him tonight. Here we go, 20-lap main event out of turn number 4, waiting for the green flag, pass car factory stocks. Out of turn 4, green flag. And faster leads to the turn number 1, chased by Chris Carnage. Running in third, that's the number 82 Adams. 4th spot, it is Cook. 5th spot, Burks. Oh, Carnage was trying to challenge for the lead, and he goes around. Everybody missed him. He gets it restarted, we stay green. And we go yellow. Yeah, there's some debris in turn number 4. Saw that coming off one of the cars. And they say the pieces and parts are off the 19 car, Chris Dave. So she is the cause of the yellow. She will go to the back. What? Not because the car spun we went to the yellow. Because stuff fell off the race car, the 19 car. They told her to go to the back. They didn't tell her to go to the pits, but now seeing they're pulling some sheet metal off the car. And now she's ready to rejoin at the back. 19 to go. Somebody has a flat tire, we're told. Might be the 29 car, we're told. Green flag. 29 car is a hot mess. Jessica Schaefer. And she has a flag right front. She can stay out there, but track officials or race director Steve Aldis telling her about it over the one-way radio. Leader is Fassler, second is Burks, Veach up to third, Myers trying to take 4th away from the 82 of Adams. And he has him by about a half car length as we complete lap number 2. Guy in second won the main event 2 races ago after 12 years of trying. That's Mike Burks. Well, Burks may have some again here today. He's all over Fassler. There's Carnage back up to 7th, make that 6th. As he goes around Cook, Sweet Ogren spins out. Oh, man. Oh! And we got another one going around, the car running in second. Mike Burks spins out of turn 4. Oh, it's open 5. First crash, 7 p.m. Come out early for the on-track autograph session at 5:15. Green flag. Camaro's running first, second, and third. Fassler, your leader. Veach running second, Myers third, Adams fourth, Carnage 5th. Carnage to the inside of Adams. Carnage has good run from the back. Let's see what he can do. Beach way crossed up, coming off turn number him a lot of real estate to the leader, Fassler. Now Carnish moves up to fourth. Camaro's running first through fourth. Adams goes around in turn number 4. He had been running top 5 all race. Carnish goes to the inside of Beach. Carnish in the 26 car up to third. Oh, trouble. Carnish and Myers go around. Oh, look out! Oh! Now, by all this action you've seen here, we've not told you in the grandstand tonight, this race pays $50,000. Back to green. Fassler is your leader. Second Beats, third Cook, fourth spot, this spot is Perris. These guys have to go to the back and they're recycling their way through the field once again. First and second pull away from the third place car of Cook. Around goes Frank. Now look on the front straightaway. 92 car starting to get sideways. He's safe, but we stay green. 82 car Adams, who ran the top 4 early in the race, headed back to the pit area. Taking looks on the inside. Here comes Cameron Beach to the inside of Fassler. 99 car Cameron Beach trying to be the new leader. And Fassler holds him off so far. Halfway next time by. 10 laps down, 10 to go. The 00 Fassler. Second spot, it is Veach. Third spot, Cook. Fourth spot, Perks. Fifth spot, Carnish. Algren. I thought he was going to do a repeat off turn 4 that time. At least momentarily, Fassler has fought off Veach. Here comes Beats on the inside. Beats in a run, going into 3. Can he pull alongside? Can he slide up in front of him? Fassler gonna lead this lap as well. And we go yellow. We've got a loose wheel running spot. It is Hunt. 2 races to go after this one. Green flag. Good restart for Beats on the inside. And a little park by Beats coming off turn number 2. That allows Fassler to open up a lead. Third spot Cook, his best ever run, I do believe, here at Perris Auto Speedway. Burke's 4th. Oh, the leader parks in front of the field. They all miss him. New leader's got to be Cameron Beach. Fassler back on the racetrack, but near the back. And he has a flat right front tire on the 00 car. That's the point leader. All the way around the one. When Burks can stay where he is, Burks would take over the point lead. Challenge for the lead. Now Cook takes the lead. Now Veach takes it right back, and here comes Burks. This is racing, boys. 00 stopped, and all of a sudden he picked it up again. 200 feet behind turn 4. Check out their website. Check them out on Facebook. SoCal Oval Cars. Want to get into racing? Don't want to spend $1 million? That's a great place to start. It's a very competitive racing.
They held them up. They closed one more lap down. They're going to let him out.
Fassler going to be back on the racetrack, but he did go on lap down before we went yellow. 84 car coming back out of the racetrack. He will still be on the lead lap. Later is Veachberg second, Ogren third, fourth spot. It is Myers, fifth spot. He's been in fifth almost the entire race. That's a 92 of Hunt. Look out off turn 4. Good job by Myers to save it. Oh, 92 about to lose a hood now. 4 laps to go this time by. Just to put the hood back down. That arrow push was causing him problems. He was going to go through the pits at warp speed until the race director reminded him over the radio, don't do that. His speed is 5 miles per hour no matter what you're on. They'll get the white flag the next time by. Leader's a 99, 55 running second. 99 would be his third win of the year. 55 should take over the point lead. Last lap flag, 1 to go. Third spot, good battle coming off turn number 4 is going to go to Ogren. Fifth spot, Myers. Sixth spot, look out, turn 4. They're racing like they're coming to the line at Indy. I'm not sure on 6.